Okay, so we got a bunch of pockets. We can go ahead and do these pockets. And what the neat thing that what I'm going to show you is that you can do all of your pockets at the same operation, even though they're different depths. So let's go ahead and show you that. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go up to 2 axes, pocketing. So we'll move those, and we're going to pocket at the base. Now, if you're going to pocket multiple pockets and they're at different depths, you need to select the bottom of each pocket, not at the top, okay? Because if you do all at the top, it'll just be one fixed depth, okay? So we're going to do them at the bottoms. That's why I selected drew these circles in here, okay? Let's go ahead and select some curves. We're selecting all of the bottoms of the pockets, and that's why I drew this curve. So I'm going to make the pocket as one circular pocket. Let's work our way around. Work our way around. Okay. Do this one. This one. Okay. Looks like we got it. Let's look at what we got here. So we got the bigger pocket, and we got the smaller pocket. So we got let's just do it again, big pocket, smaller pocket, and then we're going to work our way around. Okay. So those are all the pockets that we're going to program in this one operation. For the tool, we'll go ahead and use the 1/4 inch flat end mill. And for the cut parameters, we have a tolerance of 1 thou, 0 stock. We're going to do an offset cut pattern, a mixed cut direction, a 25% step over, and we'll go ahead and do a cleanup pass. And for the cut levels, now we have multiple depths. So for your cut level, we're going to program the deepest pocket, okay? So the deepest pocket is one of these here, not this one. So we're going to go ahead and say at bottom for the geometry, and for the cut depth, we're going to calculate the depth of this pocket. So let's do here to here. So that's 365, and let's divide that up by 1/8 inch cut levels. For the pocketing enter and exit, we use a path, which will end up being a helical entry, and we'll set at entry at each cut level, and we'll also fit arcs. Let's generate that. Okay, let's see what that come out to. Okay, let's go to the front view. Okay, so you see it cut down to each depth. They're different depths, okay? So it calculated a cut level for each of these pockets that are different depths, okay? Let's go to the top view again. That's what it looks like on the top view. And then let's go to an isometric view. Okay, so let's go ahead and simulate that. Let's turn the toolpath off, and let's go ahead and play. So it's doing the helical entry at each cut level and doing the slot counterbore. Now, since we started late, we had technical difficulties, we're going to go ahead and go over as long as it takes to get this part programmed. I'm sure you want to see how it turns out. So here is the bigger pocket there. Okay, there we go. We got all those pockets done. One operation, different pocket diameters, different depths. So that'll save you some time in the future, knowing that you don't have to have an operation for each pocket that's a different depth. Okay, as long as your parameters are the same as what you want and the cut levels are the same, then you can use one operation. Okay, so what do we have next?